Hi everybody and welcome to the Nutshell Kitchen, and today I'm going to make a very simple chicken curry. Cut it in half, cutting semicircles. When we get to this bit I do cheat. Do the other half. Slug of oil in the fry pan. Leave that oil for a couple of minutes so it gets hot, and then put the onion in. So you just want to give it a gentle stir and then turn the gas down a bit. Meanwhile, I'm just going to go and start working on the garlic. Now, we like garlic, so I'm going to put in about 5 cloves of garlic. This is just an easy way to peel it. Every now and again go and stir your onions, make sure they're okay. Alright, let's put garlic, cut these off. Right, this time I'm going to cut it up, like they do in India. It's going to get chopped. And if you're not that au fait with cutting, you can do it like this. So the onion's looking pretty good, they're just gently browning but not too much. I'm going to put the garlic in now. Stir it through. Now I'm going to add in this patak curry paste. This is the best base, I reckon it's the most authentic, and I usually use this, and then I'll add a tandoori mix. So a couple of spoons of this in and stir that through and get it to fry. Coat the onion, turn the gas down. So ginger, lumber ginger, peel it. I just peel it with a potato peeler. Just cut off that bit there and that bit there. Right, cut this because I want chunks. Now this is my trusty $1 potato peeler, which I've had for a very long time, and I just, you know how you get a good one? Like a cheese slice, you get a good one. I'm just doing a rough chop. That's the ginger in. Give it a stir, mix it through. I'm going to do the chicken. So got the chicken breast here. I'm going to cut that into sort of reasonable sizes. Not make it too small. So that's your little tenderloin, I think they call it. Get this yuck off. So just that bit, cut it into 2 or 3, that bit. And then this one, cut the skinny bit off and then go for the thick bit. You don't have to do that, it just means you don't get any fat bits in there. Okay, that's about right. So there's your chicken, so that's going to go in the pan. I've put about 1/3 of the chicken in, and I'm going to brown that on all sides, and then I'm just going to move it over to the onion side and put the other 2/3 in 2 batches. Turned it up onto high because I want it to fry. The next batch in, and I've now turned it down and I'm giving it a good stir. And I couldn't get deboned thigh and de-skinned thigh, so I'm just going to skin it and take the bone out and then chop it up. You can just comes up pretty easily. And you don't want to get rid of all the fat for this. So I've moved it to the side, and I'm going to put these chicken thigh in a couple of batches, like that, and turn it up. Make another spot for the next lot of fry, put that in. So that's gone in. I'm going to give it a stir, get it out a bit, and I'm going to add another spoonful of any other curry paste, tandoori if you can find it. I've got chicken masala spice paste. My choice is Sharwood's tandoori, but I haven't been able to find that here. Stir it through. It's gone a bit cool, so I'll just put it up a bit. Now I'm going to put in a whole tin of tomatoes. Water in the tomato can, half. And this is where we're at after about 10 minutes. It's bubbling away. I'm going to put the coriander in. Give that a stir. Now we're going to let that get hot again. Turn it down to a simmer. Put the lid on. Leave it. The longer you leave it, the better it tastes. I'll probably leave that for about an hour. So there we go, lid's on. See you in a bit. Update on the curry. I moved it over to a smaller burner, so it's just simmering. Alright, so that's looking really good, and it's been in for that long, so it's ready to eat. And there it is. You can serve it with basmati rice and Greek yogurt or yogurt and lemon wedges. Delicious.